Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control the video settings in Adobe Rush. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, we have to click on the your media, and we need to select the video. For example, I'm going to select this video. So let's select this, and now simply I'm going to click on the aid, and after clicking on the aid, as you can see, the video has been added into timeline. So I'm going to cut this one, and after cutting this, we have to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see in the last option, you will be able to see this option which is called crop and rotate. So we have to click on this option. Here you will be able to see the video details, like if you want to make it fill, you have to click on the fill, it will be fill, or if you want to make it fit, and if you want to rotate this position of the video, you can change the position of the video as well, in the vertically and the horizontally, or if you want to rotate this, you can also do that in the rotation. And the opacity is also available. I'm going to cut this one, so let's, as you can see, now it's normal again. If you want to decrease the opacity of the video, you can also do that, as you can see, in this way. And some other options are provided here, like the flip horizontally, flip vertically. These both options are provided here. And the width of the video is also provided. If you want to increase it, or if you want to increase or decrease it, you can also do that. In the advanced section, you will be able to see the crop. If you want to make the video crop, you can also do that. As you can see, appearance, if you want to edge the feathers, and if you want to make it more, you can also do that. So in this way, you can control the video settings for increasing the size and the ratio, and if you want to rotate that or crop that, you can also do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these all video settings. So see you guys in the next video.